Hello everybody, today we learn about the sum product function. As you can see, I have a table with product, price and quantity. If I want to do a total, I do equal price by quantity and I close this. Now I have to do a calculate of the cost plus 17 by 12 and then I close. Now I have the total of the scarf and the cost. Now I can do this with the sum products function equals sum product and then open me a box with array. Array 1 is the price and then I have the array 2, this is the quantity, and then I press on OK button and I have the same of the total. Let's do one more equal of the umbrella. I have 4 by quantity and then I close this plus take love and the quantity and I close this is again and I have the total. But now with the sum products equal sum products, I take the sum product, open the box and I have the array of the price and then I have the array of the quantity. Okay, I press on OK button and I have the same total. Okay, that's it. Have a good day and please subscribe after me.